The Razer Kraken V2 has been in the market since April 2017, which isn't that long, but if you've been searching for recommendation about purchasing your next gaming headphones, then you have probably seen this model popping up many times. Regardless if you're a follower of the so-called Razer cult or simply a user who wants to upgrade their gaming headphones, this model literally depicts the mythical Kraken creature in terms of size and delivers very powerful and quality sound. From a design perspective, the Kraken 7.1 V2 is available in 3 other colors such as black, gunmetal grey and mercury white, from which you can choose your most preferred one. But today we are going to talk about the Kraken 7.1 V2 Chroma. These headphones measure 7.8 inches in height, 3.86 inches in width, 6.15 inches in length and weigh around 12.3 ounces or around 346 grams for those who prefer the metric system. The headset looks bulky, but it is comfortable to wear due to the included materials for which we will talk right now. The headband is nicely contoured and it is composed of a bauxite aluminum frame that makes it really solid on one side, while on the other side it allows you to make 5 size adjustments. Each notch locks in pretty fast and delivers a satisfying click, so you can quite easily find your right adjustments or find your preferred setting again. Razer did a really good job in implementing a headband that will sit comfortably at the top of your head without causing any discomfort because of the included faux leather at the top and the included padded mesh at the underside. To look more aggressive, Razer has positioned their branding at the top of the headband with the same dark color that matches its coating. The ear cups are interchangeable and they are designed to suit easily to different shapes and deliver a high level of comfort, regardless of the size of the user's head. They are huge and feature a circular design that is accompanied by a wide ring of a metal speaker which surrounds the circle with an embedded Razer logo on it. The ear pads themselves are covered with a black faux leather and mounted on metal rings that make them flexible so you can pivot up and down for additional customization. The Kraken V2s are gaming headphones as I previously stated, so even if you're wearing them for a longer period of time, you won't deal with any fatigue, which is perfect, and Razer has proven yet again that they can barely make a mistake when it comes to manufacturing of high-end products. The left ear cup houses a 4.5 foot cable that is permanently attached and wrapped in fabric, and there is also a fully retractable mic that is placed on a flexible arm, but we will talk more about the microphone in the following section. The sides of the Kraken look but are not open back, and the Razer logo is displayed on each side too, so when you use the RGB lighting, it can shine in a wide variety of colors and effects for maximizing your gaming ambient. But now, let's talk about the performance and the features. The Kraken V2 uses an advanced 7.1 surround sound engine for delivering an equally rich and accurate audio to both of the ear cups with the intention to maximize your listening experience and isolate you completely from your surrounding. The result is simply astonishing. You will forget that you're wearing them due to the ergonomic construction, while on the other side, your gaming experience will have a completely new dimension. In addition, during your gameplay, you can hear the enemy footsteps clearly and be in a better position for responding quickly at the moments where the tension is really high. What makes the audio so well defined and accurate is the inclusion of Razer's 50mm neodymium drivers. The lows and the mids are really crisp and accurate, while the bass is punchy, so during your gameplay, the sound of gunshots, bombs and other explosions will be caught precisely and realistically. Its retractable digital microphone features the active noise cancelling technology for delivering the maximum clarity of your speech, so you will be heard loud and clear by your teammates during multiplayer games. If you click at the bottom on the end of the microphone, a red light will be activated which will signal you that you have music in, since the headset itself doesn't have any physical controls. The only remark I have for the microphone is that it doesn't have a pop filter, but it does not bother me since it is pretty good for in-game chats. You can also take an advantage of the Chroma lighting, which has 3 modes from which you can choose from, such as spectrum cycling, where it will make the Razer's logo shine through every color, the breathing mode, where your favorite color will fade in and out, while the third one is known as static, and as the name says, it will display only one static color without any fancy transformations. By using the Razer Chroma software, you can also customize your own color palette and sync up with any Razer Chroma enabled peripherals for maximizing your gaming ambient and feel more attached to any game. However, the Kraken V2 lights up only at the sides, so you wouldn't see anything else, but since you pay money, why not have it? They look fancy and modern either way. Another helpful feature would be the Razer surround sound software, which is compatible with any Razer headphones or earbuds, so you can experience the full potential of any game you play. You can create your own personalized audio calibration and adjust the audio based on your preferences easily and trouble-free. But that's not all. The Synapse 2.0 is also there to help you pick up dozens of music presets, but unfortunately, there isn't any gaming preset available as far as I know. This would be my remark for this part, since Razer could do better because they could have expected that most of the users want to do their own equalization profiles. From the moment you put these headphones on your head, you will instantly recognize its potential. So, while playing games such as CSGO, Overwatch, PUBG, Battlefield or any other similar to these, you'll be entirely focused on your gameplay. To conclude, you should definitely take the Razer Kraken V2 into serious consideration if you're looking for a headset that would elevate your gaming and listening experience to a whole new level. If you combine the comfort, the audio quality and its noise-cancelling microphone with the actual price, you will get an amazing headphone that surely justifies its price tag. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If you wanna find out the price and more information about the Razer Kraken V2s, you can find out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to them, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you in the next video.